Hey guys, happy St. Patrick's Day 2021. Been trying to do this video all day, but in driving to dinner tonight, I went up the highway and did my banking, etc. I noticed that gas had gone up today another dime. Now, my town in Arizona is not exactly a big town. I don't live in Los Angeles or Denver or Houston, Texas. So, make a long story short, this video not so much about corned beef, although I did have mine. It's about the cost of goods and the cost, or should I say the selling price that you're selling them for. Gas in the last 2.5 months since our new president has taken over in my town has gone up $1.12. That's a lot. I think by the end of the year it's going to be $5 again, and California will probably be $6 or even $7. So guys, every year around January, the editor of Vending Times used to come out with an editorial, and the headlines was normally something to the effect of, looking back, wouldn't you like to have a nickel, just 5 cents additional for every vended product you sold in the last year? And of course, if you think about it, you think of all the products you sold, the answer is not only yes, it's hell yes. This could be the difference between you actually taking a paycheck in maybe your part-time vending business that you've run from home. So guys, prices on everything are out of control. Fast food, it's doubled. This is the time, and I don't mean to take advantage of the situation, but you need to stay in business. This is the time to raise prices, and I don't mean a nickel. You're supposed to raise them a dime if you think that your cost has gone up a nickel. If you're selling your Snickers still for $1.25, they really should be $1.50. Once again, March 2021. Raise them at least a dime. Make them $1.35, make them $1.60, and if you're in commission spots, hotels, etc., better make them $2, because when the admin person cries, or the one that's involved in the vending lunchroom, you've got to show them, listen, gas here was $1.60, and that's what it was in Arizona. We have less of a gas tax than most states, and now it's $2.72. So doubled. I remember one of my good customers in Sacramento, good customers, he had 12 routes. And he told me one day, this was back when gas was at least $5 in California, and this was probably around maybe 2012 or something like that. Anyways, he told me his gas prices for his trucks had gone from $2,500 a month to $5,500. That money has to come from somewhere. You can't save the economy yourself. A lot of times I hear people say, gee, you know, these people are really nice people. I want to keep their Snickers at $1. They really appreciate me. I'm not sure how much they really appreciate you. If they knew you had a family and you had payments, whether it be vehicles, a truck payment, for your business, or whatever. But guys, this is the time. Prices are out of control in our country. It has to be passed on from somewhere. My local coffee shop, since the new president has taken over, and this may not seem like much, but in 75 days, the coffee price has gone up 2 times. Doesn't matter if it's only a dime or 12 cents or 15 cents, it's had 2 price increases. So this just goes to show you that these corporate chains, doesn't matter if it's the Big M, the Golden Arches, if it's the Bell that sells tacos, they have to keep up. They can't pay their people. Wages are going up. You're going to have to start paying your people more, your route man, etc. Your rents are going to go up. Your power is going to go up. So I guess what I'm getting at, guys, this is a little late for a January editorial regarding price increases, but you need to stay up with it. And if you don't, trust me, you will soon be out of business. The reason I do these videos, I've been in the business a long time, things come to me, I'm always open to ideas, I have been in the trenches like you guys, but if you're not successful and you don't stay in business, The bad part of it for me is I lose a customer. I'm in the supply business. I sell you guys parts and equipment, and I do service on components. I need my people to stay in business, and that means you. You're watching this whether you have 2 machines or you have 2,000. A successful customer for me is a huge benefit. So I plan to stay in business pretty much till the end if I'm able to work, and I hope you are too. Guys, any comments, please leave them below. We're a small YouTube channel. If you've got some ideas, please subscribe. I did notice that about 33% of my viewers for my vending playlist, they are subscribers. So there's a lot of you out there that could hit that subscribe button and help me. So guys, happy St. Patrick's Day 2021. I look forward to hearing you. Got a link to my site down below, and see you next time. Doug's World Tour, out.